found guilty. It took a jury only 4 hours to find disgraced FTX co-founder Sam Bankman-Fried guilty on all 7 counts in one of the highest profile financial, I would say political crimes in history, or in years at least. With another criminal trial coming up in March, the crypto con already faces more than 110 years behind bars. So what is the impact going to be on the market as a whole? Joining us now is Invest Diva, love that name, CEO and author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Danial. Kiana, great to have you on. So what is this verdict? How is it being received in your crypto world?
Absolutely. So this just shows that the rule of law applies to everybody, and is so important for people to understand, whether in the cryptocurrency world or not, that the actions of a few individuals do not represent the whole cryptocurrency blockchain technology as a whole. I believe from what I've been seeing is that majority of the crypto world are actually happy about this, because they're like, yes, finally, some of these scammers are getting caught. And this should be a wake-up call for every other scammer out there, because this world has been really, really good for some things and really, really good also for scammers. And so the market sentiment really here is that people are excited to see him finally put into place.
Yeah, well, there are some scammers that aren't going to face anything, at least it doesn't look like, from the DOJ. And that would be a lot of politicians who got money that was laundered through Sam Bankman-Fried. And that's a whole other topic. So what should people who are interested in crypto but maybe nervous be thinking about right now?
So again, going back to the fact that this doesn't represent the industry, consider people like Elizabeth Holmes, Bernie Madoff, Wolf of Wall Street. These are bad actors within an industry. And the fact that one person had managed to deceive so many smart individuals shows the importance of educating yourself before making investments.
What do you mean by that? How do you educate yourself so you don't get scammed by someone like Sam Bankman-Fried or the others that you mentioned?
Yeah, so in my book, I actually talk about this, the importance of calculating your risk tolerance and methods to boost your confidence in the asset you plan to invest in. And celebrity promotions have never been a tool I've used in my investment strategies. So what we talk about at Invest Diva is, first of all, one thing that was very tragic about this case is that so many people lost their life savings to this fraudster. And what we can learn from this is that never invest in the online financial assets, no matter what category it is, without having an established emergency fund based on your age, income situation, financial goals. At Invest Diva, we focus on investments on 3 key areas. We invest in ourselves, which means investing in our education and really learning about, if it was, let's say, for blockchain or cryptocurrency, learning about the industry, and just a little bit of a research is interesting, because I never actually invested with FTX, and I don't want to say that, oh, I'm better than others, but I stuck with the very fundamentals. And we only invest in the online financial markets if we have an emergency fund. So that's really important.
Well, my husband is bullish on crypto. I'm nervous about it. Really quick, before we go, I only have a couple seconds. Did you get rich from crypto?
Well, I have gotten a little bit rich. So I started purchasing at 3,000. It's now above 35K. And I am extremely bullish on some crypto assets, including Bitcoin. So yes, I do own that. # not financial advice. And it is only 10% of my overall portfolio. The rest of my portfolio is in stocks and diversified in the US, emerging markets, and everything else.
Well, good for you. I'm proud of you. Invest Diva. You can visit her and get more advice on how to invest in crypto for dummies. Thanks so much for joining us, Kiana.
Thank you so much for having me.
You got it.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.